vakadiko vanhu vaMwari. Aiwa ndini madhuri kusiri paShabana apa pazvishani achila zvangu mugazebo. Handizomboraida kutonaya manje. But anyways, I just want to elaborate or explain a little bit. There's people who watch comment about Pataketira birthday party, right? Pataketira birthday party, Pamba, the Shamari. What Shamari out? So and we're doing it for the kids. In Panama shops, beside Panama shop, we are seguro. And they put some drinks, Panama bar and whatnot. The main theme about that birthday party was, just doing it for the children. They don't understand. Never judge the people when you come. Everything is all about my personal feeling. In detail content in my videos. Everything generator is a meaning around it. Saka ndakatengerwa cake na Auntie Blessing. Thank you so much, Auntie Blessing, for the cake. And then the other one, I bought it from Thelma. And we went there and tried a birthday. It's something that they don't understand it. Because birthday, people are expecting me to buy them beers. They expect for me to do them everything. Apana ntombo yakanene present. Yekuti amadman kana bhari sipo kana katauro zvakuti amadman waita kuchi present kana toothbrush. I just came here to give joy to the children. For them to get to know who I am, to understand that, panisvika wanguva yekuti mwana anofanira kudya keke. Not every mwana anenge ari kumusha kunoku anowana access yekudya keke. Vekumbari vanodya keke. Bose kunoitwa muchato, birthdays, manyarazo, all kind of things. And sometimes there's a cake. Kumusha kunoku is a different vibe. Panapa ndipa sekuru wangu. Namusha pamba pedu kumbari ndo kumusha kwedu. Panapa ndipa sekuru wangu. Mwana wa sekuru wangu. Imba iri kuseri uku ndo kwa mai vangu. Kwa sekuru vangu vakazvara amai vangu. And I'm quite sure you're gonna see the video after this. And the purpose of it, amai vangu pavakashaya vakazvarwa vakavigirwa kuno. So when I come here, I feel close to my mother and whatnot. That's why more time ndinoya kumusha. Although I cannot even go kumakuma because you cannot go there without permission with my elders and whatnot. My cultures are Luciana. But as long as Nandina na sekuru wangu, I go different. Nenda kulundu kwa His Excellency kuna na many no just across Pambapaya, His Excellency. You know what I mean? And doing the food mapasuli. Dok musha food kwa wangu sekuru wangu. He was he's the former secretary of the president became the secretary again of the late president of Robert Gabriel Mugabe. So Honorable Robert Gabriel Mugabe, the late president, and he ended up being the secretary of His Excellency Nagaparat. I go there too, and I just try to mix up one close one personally. People will mean a lot to me. But next step he's not around, so I didn't see him, and I went back to Mama, though the only surviving member of family of my mom. I didn't just want this thing. I just went there, I didn't see him, and that's it. But anyways, comment here on the board, you're going to see hands in Minox in the upper Mushapoa in the upper Mushapen, no, Papa Mushapen. Even that bumper from Mushapen, one of Nosiana. I understand the shit trash. So we have to understand what chance Baba would have innovations. That's not the way to go, people. You know what I mean? When I come here, I come with love. And that is a face, and that is a motor, and that is a I just come here with love. Chuanana Sepuru, Papa Bawa, and Chuatingara and whatnot. And they appreciate that one card they appreciate it more than 10 Makrisa or Tingara. And that's facts. Kuno Tengara 1, 5, 6 decades, and they appreciate it more than what Tengara 10 grades. You understand what I'm saying? And I was just here, you know, they do appreciate my presence because they know me from Gora Kuripa, Sadogo, and all that. You know, they got to know me. Anakura Musha, Paspa Musha, Papa Bombana, Musha Pamai. And the guy at Panapanonzi to me. Dear Ato Baba Panapa, because Kumoka Chagaram. So do Palush, and next up, Panukarama, you know, my mouth. That's how it is. Yeah, and people have to just slow down. Mwatondituka kuti ndaisa munhu angati zvifariro zvake achipiga the excellence. You don't do that, man. Don't do that. That's not the way to go, guys. You know what I mean? When we're in social media, we're trying to just educate each other. You learn from me, I learn from you. You understand? You understand? And one hand washes the other. In the road to judgment, that's kind of but workers only took up my comments. I just block and delete you. I don't pin you because that's not my style. I'm a grown man now. I don't do those things. Kudara, I don't pay the but when I go to Kaya, the problem is in the worst situation. I got to mean I'm gonna power Wi-Fi mara. In the Paris for Pascal, Pandil Pana Papani Wi-Fi. Escapade. Unlimited Wi-Fi. Pani Mvura, no pizza. Pani, my bedroom, every bedroom is in suite. Pani gas. Everything that you see, one Anugara, Banana Borodio, Banana Islands, is here. TV is like maybe 70, 80 inches. You know, and this moment TV show, it's not like I'm bragging or whatnot, but it's the thing that sometimes people have to see to encourage other people vanoe kuti kana une musha you can do this and that and that, but haufaniri kuseka next door neighbor yako. Kuzvandinoda kutrai kutaura, next door neighbor yako kumusha kuno kwangu fanire kumbari kana even kwanana Borodeo kune dzimba dzakatoorawo, but kune vane mamachuzi. Kwanana Grindons same thing, you understand. Kwanana Mbare same thing. Pane mwane co-house, pane muna 7 bedrooms who have all the amenities, but inini handikaseke munhu pane zvizopedu because pane co-house. Handisi ndakavaka imba ipapo pedu, yakavakwa namai vangu chete kugara chete. So I try to understand some people, the way they do things is not proper. You understand? Because I'm not doing it for clout. That's one thing about Mad Minos. I'm just doing it to keep it for me. It's history. I'm just following my footsteps. Nenjozo remember. Chachembera chaitawo sekuru. Kana chitaurana nasekuru ayo ndakamuti mudhara ndakamuti iwe. It's just play. Nechitoseka nawo. Iwo wakanditaurira iwe kuti taura nevanhu vakuru zvakanaka, unenge wakutondikanganisa because ana sekuru yavanotozviziva kuti ndozvadii, vanenge vatozvifarira. Waiziya? Because most of those vanenge chiti sekuru, I don't even know them, but kungovakudzawo because vanhu vechirume and amai yangu munhu wechikadzi. Sometimes it's my first time actually meeting those people. Saka ndakaona munhu wechirume wechikuru ndomuti sekuru, rather kuti ndizopinda deep kuti iwe mudhara waunonzani chichi, ndozozvibvunza after, but in the beginning inenchiti sekuru munhu wechikadzi nenchiti mainini and what not. It's the same thing what I do kana ndakaenda kwamusana. Every lady wandinoona ikoko ndomuti tete, because kwamusana ndokunogarani tete vangu. Mazvinzwisisa? Munhu wechirume kana ari mudiki kuna baba vangu ndomuti bamudiki. Munhu wechikuru kana ari mudhara stereki ndomuti bamukuru. Just respect. But most of these people are not. My father wakazvarwa vari 2 natete vangu. Amai yangu pafamily panapa, amai yangu ndo vakazvarwa vari 2 vasikana, and she's the only one who had children. Saka isusu tisi vega vazukuru tasara tatu mumbwa, and as you can see I'm the only one who comes in. You understand? Tini munhu anobva kumbari nchuya kuno chito pay respect to my mother, because my mother is the actual person akaita kuti ndiende kudiaspora. Ndo vakanditengera tiketi. My mother vaitengesa musika. I grew up ndiri kumusana kwamai yangu, so ndakakurira pamusika personally, pambari musika. And I was very close to my mother than my father. That's why you actually see me coming here. One time I did a video na tete wangu chiti chimono ndiratidza kunisanje kuMalawi, vakati hakusina munhu kana ndida kuendeko unenge uchitoenda kutaundi kulilongo. You understand? Kazi hakutorina munhu kulilongo kumwe kunisanje solo. Saka why you want to go there? Indiri kuno kutila nini? That's how life is. So I go see my auntie, my tete wangu. Right now she's kind of, she's not feeling good, vari mufocus. So ndakatonovaona kudhara, tete vangu ndisandauya kushambana. And this vibration nevana, vana vachakura kusvika kana kuma 15-16 years old, they will remember the day nekuti hapana rasta mumwe akauya akatiunganidza akatichengera makeke, vaiziva. Because it's not an event inoitika every day. Most people when they do their birthdays pamwe havatomboitira kutoanitira Gweru, Taundi, Mushabani, Kadoma, Harare. You know what I mean? I've never heard anybody kunzi akamboita birthday yake kushani. You understand? But inini ndakaita birthday yangu pachikora nevana, and they actually enjoyed. Vana vekumusha kuriseva, most of them drinki chaiyo vanogona kuita kana 6 months kana kore asina kuimwa, because pane zvimwe zvinhu zviri important zvinofanira kutenga 50 cents iyo yotenga drink. In the each and every child vakatanga vanwa madrinks enenge embottle anoita $1 for 3. Then we had in plastic anoita $1 for 2. Vakanwa nekeke ravo vakadya vakaita yavari kuita. Then I gave them one, you know, vamwe they had two, you know, kune tumwe twakangwarisa kati mapana tukuno tukatoro tunochiviga kanoendawo kumba. They feel nice and happy. It's not an everyday thing. Vanhu vanonwa wawa, they don't think about their children. Most people anoti nditenge rasta nditengere beer, hapana paanofunga kuti kurasta wadingi nditengera kana 2 lita yemafuta kumba kuna mafuta. Anosvika kumba anodya kana muriwo usina mafuta. Zviriko. Men are like that. But I was here before. I'm not here to seek to as long as I'm fit, healthy, and I'm happy, I'm here. The great McDonald's. Like that's the situation. And my mind, like I said, I'm gazebo. That man bude panze because kunenge kuda kunaya kuneka mhepo. Anytime kunogona kunaya. Mumba ningi. It's kind of dark. Wakaisa light. The light racho. Like it's light panze panze. That's why nakuda kubotora nemi. Shama amani shama zangu. In our say family around me. Everybody watches my videos, my family. You understand? I have a brethren from UK who actually saw the videos, and he said, "Mablango magona maitravana chiri masipaka vana ndakumva kutengera yo trick akanditumira $30 akandisira mu eco cash yangu yasushana." And the problem now with my EcoCash, I haven't used it in a long time. I think 3, 4, 5 years. I think I got a block. Then as to Chimomo, I have to go to Harare, Visa, and send back that money, the $30. But in as to me, $30. You understand? Just to appreciate the vibe. You know, this gentleman is from Maputo. And I'd like to thank him personally. Thank you, brethren, for the love and the support, for the vibration that we get to Shipavan. Also to encourage you. I know a lot of people, they miss one, who passed away, but Ghetto Crown King is not an individual thing. Although I am the Ghetto Crown King. Tini Ghetto Crown King watch. I have a tattoo up. Mad Minox Ghetto Crown King. I am the Ghetto Crown King. But it's a family. Ghetto Crown King is a family. Just like Panairism music, Silver Soul was a family. I gave people jobs, but they didn't see that way. Panairism music. They think that Mahara music is a hobby to me. But to the Mari, you understand? That's why I quit music. Vanhu vakazvarwa vakatoita chikoro chekupedza vamwe vakaroorwa nemari yesinisa, but no one sees that one. When I stopped dealing with music, ndakuita zvemazvikosi, I achieved things in a short space of time. I bought a car from Japan, you know. I changed my bed every 3-4 years. Who knows about Canada? You know, I just I don't speak to a lot of people, but it's not like that. I'm just not anyone. When I did the video with the guy, when I was I made friends. A lot of people are in that same situation. I made a lot of friends out of a video. Shabbat, Tagaenda Travis or something like that. Travis Apartments. I did a video. It's actually on my thing on 1080 Islam. And yesterday there's a guy who came and said, I follow you on Facebook, and you know what, Chairman, you know what Mbara tishito watombodzwa munhu wausingaziye wausati waona achitaura inwai hwawa hwamunoda kudzimbira mudhakwe. I'm not that one Germany. We have been here about 3-4 hours. That don't have to come over takeaway. Kind of 6 weeks. So has no problem that in my wow. And I respect that guy. You know what I mean? Kuno kwa na nukara katika life. Mbaro kwa na nukara upe. Because kumbari ndipo nditengero. Kuno is not like that. People just leave. They just wake up and leave, and they just do them themselves. I don't go to the what I'm moving about kuti munhu sanotenga chibhodhoro chake che $50, $60, $120 tebhuru inenge ine 6 mabhodhoro pabhawa ratakaenda iro. It's like a Airbnb andika, but pane bhawa futi vanhu vanenge vari 8 pane 8 bottles different Jim Daniels, you know, mane Glenfiddich chakati indirwe castle chama nangu chama ndokuziya iri zvakazvaurunwa zvidhure dhakwa iwe dhakwa. You know, I don't really like to do my videos in alcohol or under the influence of alcohol. I don't do that. I'm a sober sense that it's just my vibration is out of 1 comment, maybe 2. What it about innovations, you know what I mean? But those people won't see this video to this level. Like I don't want 2 minutes. Oh, this is my life. You understand? Do order. How the man gives out of when you just tell them order. Did you know? Let us know that. You touch on that. I see. And that's how it is. And like I said, with Wi-Fi unlimited, can you save? I'm in the middle of nowhere. Unlimited Wi-Fi. Markets are repo. Right now, I have markets, but pani solar. Markets are removed. My fridge is about maybe how many my deep freezer now? About 4. Because when it was in boots, when it was in my cousin used to have a bar, Wi-Fi. See, these chairs are much There used to be Guarai and Panama bar stores and whatnot. I, you know, munhu asikatengese zvinhu saka zvinhu zvake zvese zviri panapa. And they actually, you know, it's a good setup. Good setup. Madrinks, macases anenge 10 or 12 ari mudeep freezer, but yakatodzimwa because anozofreezer waiziva. Kungotora nengoisa mufriji. Roadrunner kungotora nengoisa mutishi remvura nekubika. Takaenda. Mbudzi hautauri. That's life. Vanhu vari kuno vari kurarama katindoti life. Mubaro vari kurarama upenyu. Kuno haumboita matsikirira kana wakarara so. Kumbaro unoita matsikirira kukika wakarara. Kuno kumusha kuno kunenge kune mbudzi, huku, mombe, mabhere kuseni. But haurote hope dzakadhakwa. Mbari uri kunze kunzwa zvinhu mabhazi pamusika. Noise yega yega. Kana uchifema mweya wacho wakatosiyana newokuno kune vegetation, kune miti. There's a lot of land. Pane maChina hobo. Kuitwa inonzi solar system. Right in this area just across the road, neMachina. That solar system is they're gonna join that grid. I'm quite sure, you know, national grid. We're with a solar system farm just across the street. In neMachina with chrome mining just across the street. Ipapa ugara kwandakatoita patopesana matraka anenge 30 ipapo. Ndakagara pana. Road iri apa. Road is about 30 meters from where I'm sitting. Saka ndinochitoona motikari chichi. But zviriko. Anyways, thanks very much everybody for the support and the love. And like I said, I don't do content. I don't do anything for clout. Ndeta my videos. And this is my life. And if you take my videos and make them your content, it doesn't work. Don't so much sure. Don't do it. Don't do it. Please. Don't do it. Kana kaita video yokukana M-Face wangu ndakasangana naye chicken. A lot of people vakatora vakuisa watermark avo vakuita. This person need help. Ndikuverenga ma-comments. You cannot reply that comment, but kana video iri kwandiri, I can read almost every comment. Nchipindurana. No problem. Contact me on my WhatsApp. Call me. Call me right now. Taura zvauda, you know, and see the way forward. But ukatora video yangu uri ku South Africa kana uri ku Zimbabwe ndi ku Canada, waita yako futhi zvinobuda izvozvo. You understand? Azvibude. Zvikuita mafanisi kai. Life yangu asi mafanisi. Most of the time totally serious. And chimwe chinhu chamuwana ndiri weZANU-PF. Always been a ZANU-PF member. And will forever be a ZANU-PF member. I don't switch. Never will I. So if you don't like it, just don't come to my page or to my YouTube. Just look the other way and keep going. That's how it is, man. It's life. Now, that's my life. Yes, at one point I used to be an alcoholic. Now, ndakwanisa kuzvimanija because zvinhu ndakasangana nazvo zvakawanda ndakadhakwa waisiya. And some people pawakanzwa nyaya yewheelchair in the video yandakaita kuEthiopia, they thought I'm in a wheelchair. No, I'm not in a wheelchair. Ndakatopiwa wheelchair nemwe mhomsi, tobatsirwa mhomsi kuti tive in a wheelchair. You understand what I'm saying? I was just giving assistance. Couldn't do in a wheelchair. vanonyatsondiziva vanoziva ndakambotunga musimba 1997. That's why I had that neck bracelet. Ndiri boy. I'm not walk and I'm not in a wheelchair. I'm not paralyzed or whatever. I push a wheelchair. But that wheelchair, the way it's set up in a frame, I see you know the page wire. Saka Pinamdegi is kind of costly, but you know, I managed to come with that wheelchair, and you know, my shit. Nakurambani, my shit. In the Bagatu detain, the Bagatu Fara, you know, all those who was no sick and that thing, the Bagatu Stora, oh, she's in the Bagatu Fire. But, anyways, one love here, and I'm out. Much belongs to the world.